Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can move paths and anchors you draw on your artboard in Adobe Illustrator. So let us guide you through this. So let me navigate to this blank artboard or canvas here, and let me use the pencil tool here on the left hand side to draw a straight line like this to set our first path. By left clicking you set the start point or start anchor, and by left clicking again you set the end point of the anchor. Now switch to the select tool to unselect the pencil, and then you will see that line. So what you want to do is, let me just zoom in, is left click into the line or path, and that is going to allow you to move it like this. If you'd like to change or move the anchor points, switch from the selection tool to the direct selection just below it. Click into the anchor point, and then you may, for instance, move only the second anchor point while keeping the position of the first one, and vice versa. And you can also increase or decrease the length of the line by doing that. That's how you do it, guys. And you can do the same, for example, for your path by using the direct selection tool here. So what if you have, for example, a curved line? Let me draw one with the pencil tool again. Left click again to set your endpoint, but this time hold your left mouse and move your mouse to apply a curving for your line like this. Switch to the direct select tool, and you can do the same with the path here. However, guys, as you can see, if that's the curved line and you left click into the given path or line, you'll be given the opportunity to change its appearance depending how you move your mouse, to the left, to the right, up and down, to change the appearance of the curving. Then you will see also these handles here. It's a little bit tricky to click into them. So if you click into one of these handles, you will be given the opportunity to adjust the curving intensity for the given anchor or using the given anchor. And let me do it the same for this one here. Maybe I should zoom in a little bit more. So that's how it works, guys. And if you'd like to move the curved line, switch to the select tool and move it by left clicking into it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.